Welcome back to our channel where we explore the wonderful world of indoor gardening. Are you tired of feeling like you're stuck in a sauna during the hot summer months? Did you know that certain houseplants can help cool your home naturally? Today, we're counting down the best houseplants to reduce hot temperatures and bring some refreshing relief to your space. Let's dive in. How houseplants cool the air. Houseplants are nature's air conditioners. Through a process called transpiration, they release moisture into the air, cooling it down and purifying it. Some plants are more effective at this than others, and we're here to show you the top performers. Top houseplants for cooling. First up, we have the peace lily. This elegant plant is known for its ability to purify the air and reduce humidity, making it a great choice for hot spaces. Next, we have the snake plant, a low-maintenance option that's perfect for busy people. The spider plant is another great choice, with its delicate white flowers and ability to thrive in low-light conditions. Other top houseplants for cooling include the Boston fern, English ivy, and aloe vera. Each of these plants has its own unique benefits and can add a touch of greenery to any room. Tips for maximizing cooling benefits. To get the most out of your houseplants, make sure to place them in areas where they'll get plenty of indirect sunlight. Water them regularly, but avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. You can also group plants together to create a microclimate that maximizes cooling benefits. There you have it, the best houseplants to reduce hot temperatures naturally. By incorporating these plants into your home, you can create a cooler, more refreshing space that's perfect for relaxing and unwinding. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow plant enthusiasts. Drop a comment below with your favorite plant.